The green smoothie. Victoria Boutenko, the author of Green for Life, is considered the godmother of putting greens in a blender and making a green smoothie. Boutenko was inspired by a story she heard about chimpanzees who eat large amounts of greens and showed a large resistance against diseases administered to them by scientists during medical research experiments. Boutenko suggested looking at the chimpanzees' diet to understand why their immune system was so strong, rather than try to infect them with disease and then try to fight it with experimental drugs.
We love green smoothies because greens are the only living thing that could transform sunshine energy into energy that humans could consume or any other animals or creatures in the world could consume. Basically, the chlorophyll is a liquefied sunshine, and that's why it's so good for us. Then we could consume enough greens and we could nourish our body, and then we heal from anything, because there is nothing in the world more nutritious than green leaves.
But since our human teeth aren't really built to break down large quantities of greens, Boutenko used a powerful blender to break down the greens. She added fruit to make the concoction enjoyable, and so, the green smoothie was born. Chefs, bloggers, and foodies create their own versions of the green smoothie over time, which made the green smoothie even more popular. While there are conflicting views among medical experts about the benefits of green smoothie, there are many cases of people sharing their positive and life-changing experiences based on the regular consumption of green smoothies.